my name is Brooke with WTI, and I need to remember what pills to take, especially my vitamins, because I want to live my best life. So AUVON's pill organizer is helping me do that. It is amazing. It holds everything that I want to take, even my big fish oils. I love that this is made with a high quality material, so the hinges don't pop open in my purse. They don't have any difficulty closing and staying closed or difficulty opening. Nothing's hard to function here. So I love the color pink, and this is the translucent, you can see through it. And I love how this works, and all I need is a week at a time. This is great for my active lifestyle because I like to go and do things, but I can't take all of my vitamins at once, so I can throw this in my bag and voila, I'm good to go. This is BPA free, so the material is also healthy for me, and it's just really nice to have something to help me be healthy and remember all my pills. And this is the case that I love to use, and that's my point of view.